Good day everyone, this is your friend Jack, and in this tutorial video we will study about comments in PHP programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support. We are gradually increasing in terms of numbers. Thank you for watching, comment, likes, and dislikes. So before we continue, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So PHP comments, we are using the reference in W3 schools. So comments in PHP, a comment in PHP code is a line that is not executed as part of the program. Its only purpose is to be read by someone who is looking at the code. Basically, comments are very important in any programming language. It is used primarily, guys, for giving description of a certain portion of the code, how this portion of the code works. So comments can be used to let others understand your code, remind yourself of what you did. Most programmers have experience coming back to their own work a year or two later having to refigure what they did. Comments can remind you of what you are thinking when you wrote the code. So PHP supports several ways of commenting. So the first one we have here, syntax. This is a single line of comment, double slash. This kind of comment is similar to our programming language like C++. And then we have also here sharp. This is also a single line comment. So this comment can be found in Python programming language. And then we have also here the third type of comment is the syntax for multi-line comments. This one. This comment is based on C programming language. So when we have a comment in our PHP program, when we run it, it is ignored by our interpreter. Okay, so let us go with the code. So we have here our reference, w3school.com. You can visit their website, an excellent website for tutorials. So we have here single line, and then we have here echo header 1 comments in PHP, and then we have also single line comment using sharp. This one is double slash, and then we have here multi-line comment. This multi-line comments block spans over multiple lines. So when I run the program, all these comments, the first one, this one, not including this one, this is for the multi-line, single line, and then the third one is being ignored by our PHP interpreter. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code in the link of our reference w3school.com. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.